What's up everybody, it's Tony with Dynojet, and today we're going over the brand new PV4. This is our cloud-based flash tuning device. We're going to go over the initial install and app setup. Today we're using a 2020 Road Glide for the install, so let's get to it. You're going to want to first start by removing the left-hand side panel to access the diagnostic port. Now that we have that panel removed, we want to locate the diagnostic port that was located right here. Move it off its perch. Remove this dust cover. And then now you want to plug in your Power Vision device. Now that we have that connected, we can open our application and start the flash tuning process. Now that we have the PV4 installed on the bike, we want to get into the app section. You can download it from wherever you purchase your apps. It is for free. If you don't already have a Dynojet account set up, you can get one set up at this time using the app. We're going to log in. Now we need to scan for the PV4 unit. Make sure the ignition is turned on for this part and the PV4 is plugged in. We will scan for it. We do see the PV4. Now it is asking for a firmware update. Now this is normal. If it is asking, just go ahead, select yes to make sure everything is up to date with the firmware. Now that we got the firmware updating, we want to go and continue the marrying process. As you can see here, it will give you the bike information. And now that we're ready to tune, it's as easy as selecting the tune file. Now this will give you the list of all of the available tunes we have pre-developed. Easy way to search through is using the filter option. Select what you have, full, slip-on, or stock. Airbox, same, camshaft, and cylinder size as well. For our bike, we know that we are actually running the 2-into-2 with a high flow intake. So we're going to select this tune and we're going to flash. Might tell you the battery's a little bit low, it's alright, just select OK. As you can see, the tune is still writing. This can take a couple of minutes. Just leave it alone, let the process go completely before closing the app or turning off the vehicle. As you see now, we're prompted that it is going to the ECU, and do not turn off any power. Now each PV4 unit comes with one license. That's the ability to tune one vehicle, and in putting the flash to it will take up that token. As you can see, tune has been written, and we can continue, and this is what has been put onto the bike. From there, you now have a tune on your vehicle. Go test it out, see how it rides. We made it quick and simple to tune your bike. With the PV4 and cloud-based tuning at your fingertips, it's now easier than ever to make every ride the ultimate ride.